Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new topic from the book of chemistry, class 9, chapter 3, periodic table and periodicity of properties. Our topic is atomic size and atomic radius. As we know, the atoms are very small and don't have defined boundaries that fix their size, so it is difficult to measure the size of an atom. Therefore, the common method to determine the size of an atom is to assume that atoms are sphere. When they lie close to each other, they touch each other. What is the definition of atomic radius? Its definition is half of the distance between the nuclei of two bounded atoms is referred as atomic radius of the atom. For example, the distance between nuclei of two carbon atom in its elemental form is 154 picometer. It means its half, 77 picometer, is radius of carbon atom as shown in figure. Now we are going to discuss the trend of atomic radius in periodic table. First of all, we are going to discuss trend in period. When we move from left to right in period, atomic number increases, yet the size of an atom decreases gradually. It is because with the increase of atomic number, the effective nuclear charge increases gradually because of addition of more and more proton in the nucleus. But on the other hand, addition of electron takes place in same valence shell. Shells do not increases. There is gradual increase of effective nuclear charge which increases due to addition of proton. This force pulls down the outermost shell towards the nucleus. For example, the atomic size in period 2 decreases from lithium 152 picometer to neon 69 picometer. Now, trend in group. The trend of atomic size of atoms or their radii increases from top to bottom in group. It is because a new shell of electron is added up in the successive period, which decreases the effective nuclear charge. Now, the trend of atomic size of transition elements. The trend of atomic size of transition elements have slight variations. When we consider the series in a period, the atomic size of elements first reduces or atom contract, and then there is increase in it when we move from left to right in fourth period. Shading effect. The electron present between the nucleus and the outermost shell of an atom reduces the nuclear charge felt by the electrons present in outermost shell. The attraction of outer electrons towards nucleus is partially reduced because of presence of inner electrons. As a result, valence electron experiences less nuclear charge than that of actual charge, which is called effective nuclear charge. It means that electron present in inner shell screen or shield the force of attraction of nucleus felt by the valence shell electrons. This is called shading effect. With increase of atomic number, the number of electrons in an atom also increases. That results in increase of shading effect. Now, what is the trend of shading effect in group? The shading effect increases down the group in the periodic table. Because of this, it is easy to take away electrons. Now, trend in period. The shading effect remains the same in the period if we move from left to right. Ionization energy. The ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from the valence shell of an isolated gaseous atom. the amount of energy needed to remove the successive electron present in an atom increases. If there is only one electron in valence shell, the energy required to remove it will be called first ionization energy. For example, the first ionization energy of sodium atom is plus 496 kilojoule per mole. Now we are going to discuss the trend of ionization energy in period. If we move from left to right in a period, the value of ionization energy increases. It is because the size of an atom reduces and valence shell electrons are held strongly by the electrostatic force of nucleus. Therefore, elements on left side of the periodic table have low ionization energies as compared to those on right side of the periodic table. Now, trend in group. As we move down the group, more and more shells lie between the valence shell and the nucleus of an atom. These additional shells reduces the electrostatic force felt by electrons present in the outermost shell. The valence shell electron can be taken away easily. Therefore, ionization energy of elements decreases from top to bottom in group. Electron affinity. Electron affinity is defined as the amount of energy released when an electron is added in the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom. Affinity means attraction. Therefore, electron affinity means tendency of an atom to accept an electron to form anion. Anion means negative ion. For example, the electron affinity of fluorine is minus 328 kilojoule mole. 1 mole atom of fluorine releases 328 kilojoule of energy to form 1 mole of fluoride ions. Trend in period. Electron affinity value increases from left to right in period. The reason for the increase is as the size of an atom decreases in a period, the attraction of the nucleus for the incoming electron increases. That means more is attraction for the electron, more energy will be released. Now, trend in group. In a group, electron affinity value decreases from top to bottom because the size of an atom increases down the group. With the increase in the size of an atom, shielding effect increases that results in poor attraction for incoming electron. Less energy is released out. Electronegativity. The ability of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself in a molecule is called electronegativity. It is an important property, especially when common type of bonding of elements is under consideration. Trend in period. The trend of electronegativity is same as of ionization energy and electron affinity. It increases in a period from left to right because higher effective nuclear charge shortens distance from the nucleus of the shared pair of electrons. This enhances the power to attract the shared pair of electrons. Trend in group. It generally decreases down a group because size of an atom increases. Thus, attraction for the shared pair of electron weakens. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.